It's almost time to go walk off the feast. Well, there's a lot more feast in the refrigerator too. It's a pretty day here. We've got some chillier days coming in, but it's not bad out here today. I don't see Morris yet this morning though, and we've got police sirens and church bells off in the distance. Hopefully Morris will show up in a few minutes. I clearly saw him late yesterday afternoon, evening time. I did not see the cats on the camera at bedtime, but I wasn't alerted to any problems. So, I mean, as in meaning as they weren't inside the cat hotel. So, hopefully Morris is around. Today I would like to swap out the mini flags for Christmas. Swap out 2 of the small inflatables. And get the wreath up on the garage. I just want to do a mini conversion outside. But not too much. You know the flags don't take very long. Usually Morris shows up while I'm out here, and I've called a bunch, but no sign of Morris yet. I'm not particularly worried, but you know, I'd be happier if he would come for breakfast. Hi, Panther. Good morning. Hi, bud. Hi, he's a sweet boy. There's my sweet boy. There's Stripey. Goodness, Don's tree has lost a lot of its leaves really fast. Bummer. Nothing wrong, it's just time for him to go. I wish they'd lasted a little longer. I'm surprised at how much is gone this morning. And this one here is just gorgeous. I was down on the ground. I give it water most days during, you know, basically 8 months out of the year. After the leaves are gone and in the middle of the winter, I don't water it every day, but once a week maybe. Wow, that just looks so pretty. So pretty. We were almost able to start a piece of it last year, and if we did, I think I'd have to put it down there somewhere where you could see it looking off the porch. Now that we have that hole from that tree being gone. Hey there, Missy. Good morning. Good morning. Johnny's still sleeping, but he'll begin to be with you in a little while. I know you were so happy yesterday. You were such a happy girl. Yeah, such a happy girl.
So it's a little cool in the garage, and when I got in the car, I noticed it says warming up. It's 61 in the garage right now, and I'm fixing to back out. But I hadn't noticed that it says warming up. I think that's the heat pump is getting up the temperature. It takes it a few seconds to do its thing, because you know, it's set to 72, and I'm sure the car itself is 61. I mean, it feels like it. Yeah, sure enough, I can feel the heat now. Coming out of it, and the warming up has turned off. Wow, I guess I've never noticed that.
Morris is home now. He came home about an hour ago. We're late heading out on our walk. It's 11:30. But he came home, and I had looked on a security camera. It's like he took off 15 minutes before I came out to feed, so I don't know what was going on. Probably a vole had his attention. Just out here spending a little time enjoying our fellow man this morning. That's just between the park and the beginning of the trailhead, that short little strip of road, and only one side of the road. I guess the kids decided they'd finish what they started. Well, it was pretty quiet up here today. We did talk to a police officer that had pulled in to do paperwork, and he came down and took a report on the trash can, so that's all we can really do.
Well, I left Jules outside the garage because I wanted to take care of one little thing here, or try to. Listen to this. I think it's down at this end down here. Oh, it's over there. Okay. Now listen to it go down, and it makes a tremendous racket. Yeah. So something over here needs a little lubrication, so I'm gonna lube it and see how works out. So I used some of that WD-40 dry lube, and I lubricated all the rollers and the hinges and stuff. So let's see how it's gonna work. Well, so far so good. Pretty quiet. This is where it really starts squeaking right here. Wow. All right, that was really good going up. Let's try it going down. I'd call that fixed. Amazing what a little bit of lubrication will do so it doesn't squeak. This is what I used. Dirt and dust resistant dry lube. It's not very expensive. It's easy to use because it's got the little tube there, so you could just put it in there and squirt. We'll see. I got this a couple years ago and used it for a couple things. Hopefully it'll keep working. I did do Ruby's side also, so Ruby's side is quiet.
Don wanted a midday plate. We'll see what else we have later. Pretty easy to heat up. Putting it on fresh plates means the other plates don't get burned on, browned on mess. Johnny asked for 3 microwavable to-go meals. That's this. Johnny and I came up to Write Me Out, and they are booking today. They are making the drinks. They are up over 40 adoptions now. Isn't that awesome? I've got a helper.
Who?
You.
Oh, I'm Santa's little helper?
Yeah, until Johnny's ready for you to help him. Right. I told Johnny his stuff's more important. You was just piddling with me until... But if we get the 2 inflatables swapped, or the 3 inflatables swapped around, I change out my flags, we'll go from there.
That means I get to use my unicycle?
I already did the one at the street because I just came in from the cat cafe, but
I understand.
We don't have mail yet today, and it is a mail day, so you may need to go down there and back again anyway.
Okay.
Don moved the orange kitty, set up the white kitty, put the wreath up, and got my new black cat, like the one tuxedo cat that Write Me Out had. When we were in there today, I told him that my husband said not to put up any more cat inflatables. It was costing him money. And the guy was like, the owner, he was like, and the problem is... Don's gonna go help Johnny for a minute, but he is gonna get our wreath going also. Or Don, I looked up at him and I said, I need a smile. And he turned and he smiled and he says, as I'm hanging on for dear life. Poor Don. Thank you for hanging the wreath.
You're welcome.
Christmas decorations and my guy's working on robots. That makes me happy today. We got a kit ordered for Johnny. We have someone stepping in to help with the drum for the new capsation motor weapon thing. The CAD file for the motor was wrong, and it caused problems with the build and was a setback, but not insurmountable, just maybe in the time allotted. Anyway, there's been some progress. It's good. I got Johnny a cute little Christmas thing to take back to the dorm. Can't have my boy in his dorm room without at least one Christmas decoration. So Terribly Sorry's been repaired for a potential grudge match. So that's awesomeness. Did I say the wreath was working? The wreath's working. Johnny's trying to pack up stuff so he doesn't keep his dad waiting when he comes. And best I leave him to concentrate, all of them in there. Let's see, one of these is for the front door, and one of them is for Johnny's window, and one is for the side of the cat hotel. I guess this one for the front door. It's 10 minutes to 7, so I don't have a lot of time tonight, but I thought I could put the polar bears together, so I'm gonna do that. This cute little Christmas set to get me in the holiday festive mood. Not that I wasn't already there.